Welcome to Keyboard Lessons with Joyce. Today we are looking at beginners keyboard lesson 3. Groups of 2, 2 and 3 keys. On every keyboard, the black keys are arranged in patterns. Group of 2 black keys, you will see 2 black keys together repeatedly across the keyboard. The white keys around them are before the 2 black keys is C. This is C. Between them is D, and after them is E. Easy tricks. The white key immediately before a group of 2 black key is always C. The white key immediately before the group of 2 black keys is C. Is always C. This is C. This is another C here. We have another C here. So all through the keyboard, we have C's. Any key that is before that 2 black keys is called C. Groups of 3 black keys. You will also see 3 black keys together repeatedly. 3 black keys together repeatedly. The white keys around them are before the 3 black keys is F. This is F. Between first and second black key. Between first and second black keys is G. Between first and second black key. This first black key, this second black key. So between these 2 black keys is G. Then between the second and the third black key is A. This is the second black key and this is the third black key. So between the second and the third black key is A. So this note is A. After the 3 black keys is B. After the 3 black keys is B. So this is B. Easy trick. The white key immediately before a group of 3 black keys is always F. The black key immediately before a group of 3 black keys is always F. So this is F. The black key before a group, immediately before a group of 3 black keys is F. So this is F. It's always anywhere. This is F. Here is another F. Here is another F. You can see they are sounding differently. They can never sound the same. Then black key pattern. Important white key. Group of 2 is C. Group of 3 is F. Simple memory tip. 2 black keys. Before the 2 black keys you find C. Before the 3 black keys you find F. That is how you can identify your note. In case you are interested in learning keyboard, that is how you can identify your notes. Then, in case you have not listened to lesson 1 and lesson 2, you check the channel and make sure you follow up. Start from the beginning. These patterns repeat all over the keyboard. 3 black key, 2 black key, 3 black key, 2 black key, making it easy to identify notes quickly. It makes it easy for you to identify the notes quickly. Understanding groups of 2 and 3 black keys on the keyboard. The keyboard may look confusing at first, but it is actually arranged in a simple repeating pattern. Arranged in a simple repeating pattern. One of the easiest ways to understand the keyboard is by studying the groups of black keys. When you study the group of black keys, it will be easy for you to understand the keyboard. The black keys are arranged in groups of 2 black keys, groups of 3 black keys, and a group of 2 black keys. These patterns repeat from the beginning to the end of the keyboard. The group of 2 black keys. A group of 2 black keys helps us find the notes C, D, E. How to identify them? Look for any 2 black keys that are close together. Any two black keys that are close together, just like this note, that are close together. In our last lesson, we learned about our lesson 1, we learn about the middle C. This is the middle C. Then in our lesson 2, we learn about identifying musical alphabet. So those 2 lessons will be important for you to understand lesson 3. So you go to the channel and watch till the end. Then around these black keys are 3 white keys. Around these 2 black keys are 3 white keys. This is 1, 2, 3. Position and notes. White key before the 2 black keys. This white key before these 2 black keys is C. So this is C. White key between the 2 black keys. This is the 2 black keys. So this white key between it is called D. Then the white key after the 2 black keys. The white key after the 2 black keys is called E. That is how you can identify your keyboard. Once you identify just one octave, the rest will be easier for you. So this is C, D, E. Important rules. The white key immediately before every group of 2 black keys is always called C. Anywhere you see, any keyboard you see, whether piano, is the same thing. This is the fastest way beginners locate C on the keyboard. Example, if you see these 2 notes, the white key directly to the left side is C. This is the white key directly to the left side is C. So that is how you identify your note. And once you, as a beginner, once you identify C, it is easy for you to play the keyboard. What is middle C? Middle C is a C note near the center of the keyboard. This is the center of the keyboard. So this note or middle C, it is very important because many beginners lessons starts from middle C. So as a beginner, when you are playing, even if you want to run your scale, this is how you are going to run your scale. So the middle C, it helps you position your hands correctly. The middle C helps you to position your hands correctly. It serves as a reference point for learning other notes. From the middle C, it is very easy for you to learn other notes. The group of 3 black keys. A group of 3 black keys helps us find F, G, A, and B. How to identify them? Look for any set of 3 black keys together. Any set of 3 black keys, just like this one. This is a set of 3 black keys together. And this is another set of 3 black keys together. When you look for the set of 3 black keys, it is very easy for you to identify F. The surrounding white keys are before the 3 black keys. Before the 3 black keys is F. This is F. Between first and second black key is G. Between third and fourth black key, between the first and the second black key is G. Then between the second black key and the third black key is A. This is A. Then after the 3 black keys is B. This is B. If you are new here, if today is your first day of visiting this channel, please subscribe, like the video and learn along. And if there is anything you do not understand, leave your questions in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer you. Memory tricks for group of 2. 2 black keys helps you find C. Think 2 black keys to C. For group of 3, 3 black keys point to F. Think 3 black keys point to F. Three black keys helps you find F. Two black keys helps you find C. Two black keys points to C. While learning black key groups is important, understanding these patterns helps beginners identify notes faster, avoid confusion on the keyboard, find middle C easily, read music more confidently, play songs with better accuracy. Practice exercise. Sit at your keyboard. Find all the groups of two black keys. Play every C note you can find. This is the first C note. Listen to the difference in the sound. This is the second C note. This is the third C note. And this is the fourth C note. Next, find all the groups of three black keys. Play every F note you can find. The first F note, the second F note, the third F note, and the fourth F note. Repeat slowly until you recognize them instantly. That is your assignment. Practice exercise. Repeat slowly until you recognize them instantly. Like that is the first F, the first C, the second, the third, and the fourth. Now, this is the F, the first F, the second, the third, and the fourth. So you play it slowly until you recognize them instantly. Conclusion. The keyboard is built on repeating patterns. Once you understand the groups of two black keys and three black keys, finding notes becomes much easier. Remember, group of two group of two starts with C. Group of three start with F. Mastering a simple pattern is one of the first big steps in learning the keyboard successfully. Thanks for watching. Once again, if you have not subscribed, subscribe to the channel, like and share. Also comment in case you have any question, let me know. But most importantly, make sure you practice, you do your practice. See you in the next lesson.